I'll be a monkey's uncle, Ted Stryker. Jack, I got a bad feeling in my gut about this mission.
Do checks.
More technical
Clear, accelerator on clear, number one check. There's the checks. Green light.
What's happening, bro?
Okay, atmosphere control okay.
Atmosphere control, check.
Anti-gravity check.
All right. Checks out in positive mode, sir.
Check.
Checks out in negative mode, sir.
Check.
Neutral balance seems all right, sir.
Good, that should do it.
Anti-gravity off, sir.
I hope this weather doesn't give us a problem. Mr. Dunn, what's your temperature reading?
98.6, sir.
That sounds normal.